Parts of a plant and functions. Plants are one of the most essential living organisms on Earth. They are beneficial to both animals and human beings. They produce oxygen, which is crucial for the survival of living organisms. They act as a source of food and oxygen and maintain the ecological balance. Here is the diagram of plant parts. A plant has many parts. Different parts perform different functionalities. The main parts of a plant include roots, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits. The parts of the plant that appears above the ground level is called the shoot system. And the part of the plant which lies under the soil is called the root system. Let's see the functions performed by the various parts of plants. Roots. Roots are the most important and underground part of a plant, which are collectively called the root system, and anchor the plant in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil, synthesize plant growth regulators and stores reserve food material. Roots store reserves of carbohydrates and nutrients for future use. Roots facilitate the exchange of gases, such as oxygen and carbon dioxide, with the surrounding soil. Stems. Stem is the part of the plant which is found above the ground. It forms the basis of the shoot system and bears leaves, fruits and flowers. Stems provide structural support for the plant and transport water, minerals and sugars between the roots and the leaves. They also house vascular tissues including xylem, responsible for water and mineral transport, and phloem, responsible for transporting sugars and other nutrients. Stems allow for the distribution of hormones that regulate growth and development. Leaves. Leaves are the primary sites of photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide and water into energy-rich carbohydrates such as glucose and oxygen. They contain chlorophyll that helps the plants to prepare their food using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Leaves serve as the primary site for gas exchange, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Leaves regulate water loss through tiny openings called stomata, and control the exchange of gases. A leaf consists of three main parts: petiole, leaf base and lamina. Flowers. Flowers are the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. They are the reproductive part of a plant. A flower has four major parts, namely petals, sepals, stamens male, pistils female. They contain the plant's reproductive organs, including the male structures stamens, which produce pollen, and the female structures pistils, which contain the ovules where fertilization occurs. Flowers often attract pollinates like bees, birds or butterflies to aid in the pollination process. Fruits. Fruits are the main features of a flowering plant. It is a mature ovary that develops after fertilization. Some fruits are developed without fertilization, are known as parthenocarpic fruits, and the process is known as parthenocarpy. Fruits develop from the fertilized ovaries of flowers and typically contain seeds. Fruits come in various shapes, sizes, types, including fleshy fruits like apples and berries, as well as dry fruits like nuts and grains. In the next lesson we will understand the process and stages of plant growth. Keep watching and continue studying. Study well today to succeed tomorrow.